Hi viewers, welcome to Indra Selvam's kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you all my recipe which I call green curry, chicken green curry. Okay, let's start off with, I'm going to blend the spices first. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and I'm going to blend them all after stir frying it. And 2 onion, large onion, about 2 inch of ginger, about 5 cloves of garlic, about 2 inch of galang galang, or I call it blue ginger, or Malay they call it langkuas, and it's going to be a bit spicy for me, so I'm using about 3 big green chilies, and I'm using about 1 handful of small green chili or bird's eye green chili, and 1 stalk of lemongrass, and 2 kaffir lime leaf, and just fry this for about 5 minutes or so. Just make it a bit soft. Fry till the onion a little soft. And yep, I've got some basil leaf here, about 1 handful of Thai basil leaf, and 1 handful of coriander leaf, I'm not using much oil. I just use 2 tablespoons. And just saute it for about 5 minutes till you get the onion a bit soft, because we are going to blend it as well. We are not going to overcook it. If you overcook, then the color, you don't get the green color. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to blend it, and I'm going to add some other things when I'm going to blend. So let's do it. Okay, I'm going to blend it now. So I'm just going to add about 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, and let's blend it, and then I'll start with cooking with my chicken. Okay viewers, so I blend my spice already. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I've got about 2 pieces of star honeys, and 2 inch of cinnamon, and let's put in the chicken. Just fry it for a little while. Just give a few minutes. using about 2 kilos of chicken. Sorry, one whole chicken is about 1 kg, 1.5 kg. And the paste I'm using, and I'm going to add some water in it. About 1 cup of water. I'm going to add some palm sugar, salt to taste. If you all don't have palm sugar, you all can just use normal sugar. Not very Salt to taste. Okay, now I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can just use a tablespoon of normal sugar or brown sugar, and let the chicken cook for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to add the coconut milk in, or coconut cream. So the whole process of cooking the chicken, it will take about 20 minutes, and voila, that's it, and it will be ready to serve. So let's wait for another, say 10 minutes, and then we will add on the coconut cream, and let's cover and keep it. Okay viewers, it's been 10 minutes now. The chicken is already almost cooked. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of coconut cream. And just add a little bit of water. And let it cook for about 10 minutes. So the total cooking process is about 20 minutes. Okay, just let's stir and let it cook for another 10 minutes, and it will be ready to serve. So viewers, if you are cooking lesser chicken, you can reduce the spices which I use, like the bay leaf, the garlic, the ginger and the blue ginger. You can reduce. And let's taste now and see. It's nice. Tastes very nice. And okay, let's leave it for another 10 minutes, and it will be ready to serve. Okay viewers, the chicken is ready to serve. Let's serve it. Look how colorful and how beautiful it is, and it's quite spicy because I add a lot of chili in it. So if you want, you can reduce the chili. Okay viewers, my chicken green curry Thai style is ready to serve. See how beautiful it is. Okay viewers, I hope you all will try this recipe of mine, chicken green curry. Till I see you all again, this is Indra Selvan's Kitchen. Have a nice day. Bye.